Alright, I'm gonna bust a quickie since last time I was filming, my phone overheated. And that was the end of that video. So, it's a Whirlpool fridge. That's a Sylvania TV. You know, I don't think that's a bad looking one. What year? Sandy, and this is a come down to Phoenix, get a new, like this one really caught my eye, the Imperial Climatic. It's a good looking old fridge, man. Find the date on that thing. It's a good piece, good piece. And then on the back it says, you read it? Bunch of patents, General Motors. I'm guessing it's pretty, at least like 30 years old, but I could be off. It could be more like 50 years old, I don't know. It looks kind of old. I never seen not good right there. Yeah, these are all junky, you know. It's like an old school, real classic looking fridge though. Anyway, and then over here you got the tree pickup. So everyone puts that on the curb and then they come and bring it here. This is where it ends up. What is this one? Another Whirlpool. A lot of them. A couple tires. Yeah, so you got big piles. And you got palm trees, so these are all those kind of palm trees. Alright, you know, that covers the gist of it. I got my sign, so I'm happy. Alright. Goodbye for now.